really no surprise that DNA is already playing like this huge role in Bryan Kohberger's murder case. We already knew that his team was in a tug of war with the prosecutors over the genetic profiles of 3 other guys that were found in the house. And then we watched as the defense called an expert witness on the so-called genetic genealogy. That was at a pretrial hearing last month. But now the Idaho prosecutor says that they're hearing Kohberger's expert, that lady, Gabriela Vargas, genealogy expert. Prosecutors say they're hearing that she's been saying things outside of court that are not the same as what she's saying inside of court. That's what you call a problem. And suddenly the FBI has shown up on her doorstep because the prosecutors asked investigators to find out what was going on. But the defense says the FBI's intervention is violating their client, Mr. Kohberger. It's violating his right to due process. Is it? I know that Mark Geragos probably has an idea. He's a trial attorney. He's co-host of Reasonable Doubt podcast with Adam Carolla. He's live with me now. Is it? Is it a violation of his due process if the prosecutor smells something's fishy?
If you just put yourself in the defense standpoint, if somehow the defense had access to the FBI and somebody testifies for the prosecution and you send the FBI over to question them, I think you would find that to be somewhat troubling. And I find it troubling here that the FBI is involving themselves, especially because you're dealing with a scientific type of evidence that is basically not generally admissible in a court. So you have to do a hearing. And guess who they call as witnesses in these hearings? And guess whose modus and whose methods they're testing? They're testing the FBI's crime lab. And so, yes, I find it to be highly offensive and intrusion.
Let me be clear with our viewers, like DNA isn't something that's not normally, it is admissible. It's admissible. We use it all the time. It's the genealogy part that's the one where everybody's, kind of wound up. But Mark, what do you do? But answer that. What do you do if you hear that the other side has an expert that's talking out of 2 sides of their face? Are you just supposed to sit back, or are you supposed to investigate it yourself? Like, what else are they supposed to do other than call the FBI?
It's very simple. It's called cross-examination. It's very simple. You have a hearing, you put the witness on the stand, you cross-examine him. You don't send the FBI to intimidate him. Ashleigh, you might remember about 20 years ago in the Peterson case, we had mitochondrial DNA, which had never been admitted in a California court before. You do a prolonged hearing, and I say prolonged because you've got to call witnesses. They brought in not once, not twice, but 3 times FBI analysts in order to testify, and you put them on the stand. You put our experts, meaning the defense experts, on the stand, and you duke it out in a courtroom. You don't go having somebody saying, hey, we're the FBI, we're from the government, we're here to help. That's intimidation. So that's a violation of due process.
Are you saying that they should look the cross-examination part? I understand how that works, but usually you're in the court when you say, yes, I do have some questions, Your Honor. What if they found out afterwards? Then can they call a special hearing, bring her on for a cross-examination? I mean, it sounds like it's you'd have to do it at the time you're in the courtroom. You can't sort of do it later, or you'd have to have a whole new process.
I don't see why you couldn't do it. What would stop you from telling the judge, we now want to reopen, we want to call this witness, we have new evidence. You don't have to let the witness know. You could file something under seal. You could go in. You could ask the judge, we want to have another hearing, we're going to cross-examine.
I got like 40 seconds left, but this is super important to me. I don't know what it is that they're complaining about. You and I don't know. But if it's serious, could Ms. Vargas be in trouble?
Well, yeah, anytime the FBI comes knocking at your door, I will tell you, if you come to me as a prospective client, I'm going to tell you, shut up, don't say anything. And I'll go and figure out what's happening. So could you get in trouble? Yes. Has the FBI made mistakes? The country is littered with them. But that doesn't mean you still can't get in trouble.
It's so interesting. I can't wait to figure out what all this is about and what the resolution is. And you know what? Love having you on the show. Come back soon and often.
Well, hearing you say that you thought Murdaugh was innocent floored me, so I just got off the floor. So,
well, then you better come back and be here live, because I'd like to see that for myself. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider, and don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.